Pakistan is a country of more than 200 million people. Pakistan offers an open, deregulated market with a licensing regime that is supportive for establishing business in the country. Due to the investor-friendly policies of the government of Pakistan, there is a significant presence of multinational companies operating in telecom sector of Pakistan. The government of Pakistan strives to improve its citizen quality of life and economic well-being by ensuring availability of accessible, affordable, reliable, universal and high quality of ICT services. Today we have almost 170 million mobile connections with more than 80% tele density. It is promising to see around 85 million people accessing internet via mobile broadband, that is 3G and 4G services, and growing penetration of digital financial services led by telecom sector. The need for mobile broadband services in the country and its impact on overall GDP and productivity was highlighted during the current COVID-19 pandemic. With more than 45 million branchless banking agents in the country today, it is motivating to see almost Pakistan 150 billion Pakistani rupees 150 billion of Benazir Income Support Program fund being dispersed to the needy via the digital financial system. Moreover, we saw almost Pakistani 56 billion rupees of utility bill payment, Pakistani rupees 750 million internet bill payment, and Pakistani rupees 17 billion mobile top-ups. The government strongly believes in mass adoption of emerging digital technology and innovative application to enable realizing the vision of a true welfare state like Medina. For cross-sector socio-economic development, transformation and economic activities, governance, model social interaction and achievement of sustainable development goal. Realizing the significance of telecommunication as a critical infrastructure, access to digital service, we know that telecom to play a vital role to bring the digital revolution in the country, especially for the uplift of the low income segment of the society. In this quest, we would like to invite the telecom industry and GSMA to work together with the government toward realization of the vision. As part of our digital transformation journey, the government is pursuing a multi-pronged implementation program. This range from policy intervention for a harmonized regulatory environment to digital awareness and skill development. The government of Pakistan has recognized the significance of digital technology and skill to enhance inclusion, encourage research and innovation, and unlock economic competitiveness. The government is heavily investing in the enhancement of the digital infrastructure in underserved areas all over the nationwide, which has led to equitable sharing of opportunities and resources, paving the way for conducive economic growth. At this point, I would like to highlight the role of the Universal Services Fund, that is USF, an organization of the Ministry of IT and Telecom, which received global acclaim by paving the way for digital transformation through the provision of the access of telecommunication service in the underserved and unserved areas of Pakistan. In this regard, I have personally involved myself for taking policy initiative to facilitate bridge the digital divide. We are working for additional spectrum availability for 4G network, better quality and coverage of service, and to fix taxation issue on telecom sector. Planning for the 5G and increase of 4G smartphone penetration in the country. The government of Pakistan encouraged public-private partnership and high values GSMA contribution to the digital landscape of Pakistan. Signing an MOU with the GSMA is a testimony of our commitment to encourage the private sector to play its role in Pakistan as a digital leader. I foresee great collaboration with the GSMA in this year to come toward our common objective of digital Pakistan. The importance of the mobile sector of Pakistan is significant and growing day by day. It is vital contributor to the economy and is redefining the way of individual, business, and state bodies function and interact. Pakistan is introducing a necessary law and policy intervention to encourage access and digital connectivity while ensuring ease of doing business. In this regard, we have started the process for policy formulation to auction a spectrum in Pakistan to enhance the capacity of our network. As it evident from other economics in Asia Pacific in the recent past, fast growing of the economy is the best way forward to accelerate economic development. The ecosystem need to work together to make solving issue on priority toward our common objective of digital Pakistan. I am thankful to the GSMA for giving this opportunity to discuss Pakistan vision on such a great regional platform. I do appreciate the GSMA leadership for a successful Asia Pacific Thrive event. Despite the limitation due to COVID-19, it is indeed my pleasure. Thank you very much.